Hello and welcome to our video today, where we will be comparing two of the most popular car cleaning kits on the market, Meguiars Car Cleaning Kit versus Meguiars G50 5012. Both kits have a range of products that can help you achieve a clean and shiny finish on your car, but they differ in their contents and effectiveness. Meguiars Car Cleaning Kit. The Meguiars Car Cleaning Kit is a comprehensive kit that contains a range of products designed to clean and protect your car surface. The kit includes a variety of products such as soaps, waxes, sealants, and microfiber towels. One of the standout products in the kit is the Citrus Wash and Gloss, which is a powerful and versatile soap that can be used on a variety of surfaces. Another standout product in the kit is the Butter Wet Wax, which is a high-quality wax that provides a deep, wet-looking shine on your car surface. The kit also includes a range of sealants and quick detail sprays that can help protect your car's surface from the elements and keep it looking its best. One of the biggest advantages of the Meguiars Car Cleaning Kit is its comprehensive nature. It contains everything you need to clean and protect your car's surface, making it a convenient and easy-to-use option. Additionally, the high-quality products in the kit are designed to provide a professional-level finish on your car. However, the Meguiars Car Cleaning Kit can also have its disadvantages. One of the biggest downsides is the price. It is a more expensive option compared to other car cleaning kits on the market. Additionally, the kit may not be suitable for those who only want basic cleaning products, as it contains a range of specialty products that may not be necessary for everyone. Meguiars G50 5012. The Meguiars G50 5012 is a popular car cleaning kit that contains a range of products designed to clean and protect your car's surface. The kit includes a range of soaps, waxes, and quick detail sprays that can help you achieve a clean and shiny finish on your car. One of the standout products in the kit is the Gold Class Car Wash, which is a high-quality soap that can effectively remove dirt and grime from your car's surface. The kit also includes a range of waxes and quick detail sprays that can help protect your car's surface from the elements and keep it looking its best. One of the biggest advantages of the Meguiars G50 5012 is its affordability. It is a more budget-friendly option compared to other car cleaning kits on the market, making it a great option for those who want high-quality products without breaking the bank. However, the Meguiars G50 5012 also has its disadvantages. One of the biggest downsides is its lack of specialty products. While the kit contains a range of basic cleaning and protection products, it may not be suitable for those who want more specialized products to achieve a professional-level finish on their car surface. Which kit is best? So, which kit is best for you? It ultimately depends on your personal preference and the level of cleaning you are looking to achieve. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit that contains everything you need to clean and protect your car's surface, the Meguiars Car Cleaning Kit may be the best option. It provides a professional level finish and contains a range of specialty products that can help you achieve a deep, wet-looking shine on your car surface. However, if you are looking for a more affordable option that still provides high-quality cleaning and protection products, the Meguiars G50 5012 may be the better choice. It contains a range of basic cleaning. We hope this video has helped you understand the differences between the Meguiars Car Cleaning Kit and Meguiars G50 5012. Both kits have their advantages and disadvantages, and it is important to choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Thanks for watching.